Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is a follow-up video for the catch can install. I'm gonna go drain it and yeah, check it out, see how much it's collected. I know I've had a lot of oil in my intake. If you watched the catch can install video, you probably saw the oil dripping out of the throttle body, so let's go check it out. It's raining. No stranger to rain though. Alright, so let's see. Got this open. I'm ready. Got this. Okay, alright. So it's, wow, half full. So it's doing its job. Look at all that oil that would have been just burnt right back into my motor. So glad I bought this catch can. So, yeah, I'll keep periodically checking it, just to make sure everything's good. So yeah, awesome. All right.